Today I am discussing the most important questions in tangents and normals, application of derivatives. Okay. First, long answers. If the tangents at any point on the curve x power m y power n is equal to a power m plus n, where m n not equal to 0, meet the coordinate axis in a and b, then show that AP is to BP is constant. Okay. First of all, let p x1 comma y1 is a point on the curve. Look this diagram. This is the x axis, y axis 0. A is a point on x axis, B is a point on y axis. This is the curve. This is the tangent. Okay. A is a point on x axis and B is a point on y axis. Next, this is the given curve. Take log on both sides. Log x power m into y power n is equal to log a power m plus n. Here observe log a b is equal to log a plus log b. Log x power m is equal to m log x. Therefore, log x power m plus log y power n is equal to log a power m plus n. That is equal to m into log x, n into log y equal to m plus n into log a. Differentiate with respect to x. Log x derivative 1 by x, log y derivative 1 by y into dy by dx. Constant, log a is the constant, therefore derivative is equal to 0. Therefore, n by y dy by dx is equal to minus m by x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus my by nx. Therefore, slope at p x1 comma y1 is equal to minus m y1 by nx1. Equation of the tangent y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus 1. This is the slope. Therefore, y minus y1 is equal to minus m y1 by nx1 is equal to x minus x1. Cross multiply y into nx1, y1 into nx1, that is equal to minus m y1 into x, minus of minus plus into m x1 y1. Okay. Then m x y1 plus n by x1, take x1 y1 as the common, m plus n. You can observe. Divide with x1 y1 into m plus n. Therefore, y1 y1 cancel, x1 x1 cancel. Therefore, it is in the form of x by x1 into m plus n by m, y by y1 into m plus n by n. It is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, intercept form. Therefore, this line cuts the x axis at a, therefore, y equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to x1 into m plus n by m. Here you can observe this diagram once. A is a point on x axis, this is the tangent. Therefore, a is a point on x axis, therefore, y equal to 0 here. B is a point on y axis, therefore, x equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to x1 into m plus n by m comma 0. Suppose a is a point on x axis, therefore, this is a 0. Therefore, x is equal to x1 into m plus n by m. Therefore, this is the x intercept, this is the y intercept. Okay. Therefore, a is equal to this value. Tangent cuts the y axis at b, therefore, x equal to 0. This is the point B. Here you can observe AP is to PB. Therefore, this is the formula x1 minus x is to x minus x2, or y1 minus y is to y minus y2. Therefore, a x1 into m plus n by m comma 0, p x1 y1, b 0 comma m plus n by n. Therefore, x1 minus x is to x minus x2. Okay. Therefore, x1 into m plus n by m minus x1 is to x1 minus 0. Therefore, take common as x1, m plus n by m minus 1 is to x1, x1 cancel. Therefore, m plus n by m minus m cancel. Therefore, n by m is to 1. Therefore, n is to m is the constant. Next sum. If the tangent at any point on the curve x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3 intersects the coordinate axis in a and b, then show that length of AB is constant. Same diagram, but let P a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta is any point on the curve. This point must satisfy this curve. Okay. P is a point on the curve. Same diagram, it is the x axis, it is the y axis, origin, A is a point on x axis, B is a point on y axis. Differentiate with respect to x, it is in the form of x power n. Derivative of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. 2 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 into y power 2 by 3 minus 1 into dy by dx. A is the constant, the derivative of constant equal to 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus x power minus 1 by 3 by y power minus 1 by 3. Okay. These two are interchangeable. Therefore, minus y power 1 by 3 by x power 1 by 3. Slope of the tangent at P. The value of P is equal to a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta. Substitute here. Therefore, minus a sin cube theta whole power 1 by 3 by minus a cos cube theta whole power 1 by 3. Here the point x1 comma y1 is equal to a cos cube theta, a sin cube theta. Therefore, slope is equal to minus sin theta by cos theta. Equation of tangent at P, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore, y minus a sin cube theta by minus sin theta by cos theta into x minus a cos cube theta. Cross multiply. Okay. Then we can get the x sin theta plus y cos theta, a cos cube theta sin theta plus a sin cube theta cos theta. Take common as a sin theta cos theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. That value is equal to 1. Therefore, x sin theta plus y cos theta is equal to a sin theta cos theta. Divide with a sin theta cos theta. Therefore, sin theta cancel. Y cos theta cancel, that is equal to 1. Therefore, it is in the form of intercept form. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to b. Why? Because it is in the point, a is a point on x axis. Therefore, y is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to a cos theta comma 0. B is a point on y axis. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Y is equal to a sin theta. Therefore, b is equal to 0 comma a sin theta. Length of AB. This is the point x1 comma y1. This is the point x2 comma y2. Then distance of these 2 points, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. A square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Therefore, a square into 1, that is equal to a. Length of AB is equal to constant. Okay. Next, third sum. Show that the curves y square equal to 4 into x plus 1, y square equal to 36 into 9 minus x intersect orthogonally. First of all, given these two are two curves, equation 1 and equation 2. You can observe this is the y square, this is the y square. Therefore, comparing these two, therefore, 4 into x plus 1, 36 into 9 minus x. Therefore, 4 1s are 4 9s. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Substitute the value x equal to 8 in the first equation. The first equation y square equal to 4 into x plus 1. Therefore, answer y square is equal to 36, y is equal to plus or minus 6. Therefore, the point of intersections are P 8 comma 6 and Q 8 comma 6. First of all, you can take the first curve, y square equal to 4 into x plus 1, 4x plus 4. Differentiate with respect to x, y square derivative 2y into dy by dx into 4. Why? Because the constant derivative is equal to 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2 by y. Therefore, slope is equal to, you can take any point. I am taking the point P. I am getting 2 points, one 8 comma 6 and another point Q 8 comma minus 6. Therefore, 2 by 6, the value of y1 is equal to 6. Therefore, answer 1 by 3. You can take second curve, y square equal to 36 into 9 minus x. Therefore, derivative with respect to x. Therefore, y square derivative 2y into dy by dx minus 36. Y is 9 is the constant. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 36 by 2y. Therefore, minus 18 by y. Slope at 8 comma 6. Therefore, minus 18 by 6 minus 3. Here you can observe m1 into m2, that is equal to minus 1. m1 value 1 by 3, m2 value minus 3, therefore minus 1. m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, then the slopes perpendicular, m1 perpendicular to m2. Therefore, the curves are perpendicular. Therefore, the two curves intersect each other at the orthogonally at 8 comma 6. Similarly, the curves intersect each other orthogonally at 8 comma 6. And one point, suppose the slopes are equal, then the lines are parallel. Suppose the slopes are perpendicular, then the angle is 90 degrees. Okay. Next sum. Find the angle between y square equal to 4x and x square plus y square equal to 5. This sum is also like as the third sum, same as third sum. Y square equal to 4x, x square plus y square equal to 5. Substitute the value of y square in this equation. Therefore, y square equal to 4x, substitute this equation, x square plus 4x minus 5. I am getting the values x plus y into x minus 1 equal to 0. First of all, x plus 5 equal to 0, the x equal to minus 5. Substitute this equation in the first equation. I am getting the value y square equal to minus 20. It is not possible. Why? Because all the squares are always positive. Okay. Next, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. Therefore, I am getting y square equal to 4, y is equal to plus or minus 2. Therefore, the point of intersections are 1 comma 2 and q 1 comma minus 2. First curve y square equal to 4x, differentiate with respect to x, y square derivative 2y into dy by dx, 4 into 1, that is equal to 4, dy by dx is equal to 4 by 2y, that is equal to 2 by y. Slope of tangent at to p 1 comma 2, m1 is equal to dy by dx p 1 comma 2. Okay. Therefore, the slope is equal to 1. You can take second curve x square plus y square equal to 5, derivative with respect to x, x square derivative 2x, y square derivative 2y into dy by dx and constant equal to 0. Therefore, 2y dy by dx is equal to minus 2x, 2 cancel, dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. Slope of tangent at p 1 comma 2, p 1 comma 2. Okay. Therefore, m2 is equal to p 1 comma 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here you can observe one important point. If m1 is equal to m2, then slopes are parallel, then angle is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0. If m1 perpendicular to m2, then theta is equal to 90. If this is the case 1, this is the case 2. Okay. If m1 not equal to m2, third condition, m1 m2 not equal to minus 1, then tan theta is equal to this formula, mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. Here m1 perpendicular to m2, theta is equal to 90. Okay. m1 not equal to m2 and m1 m2 not equal to minus 1, then tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m2. Therefore, 1 plus 1 by 2 by this value. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 3, theta is equal to tan inverse 3. Similarly, the angle between the curves at q also. Okay. Next sum. Find the length of the subtangent and subnormal at a point t on the curve x equal to a into cos t plus sin t, y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Here given x is equal to a into cos t plus t sin t. You can observe t and given x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to t. It is in the form of uv. d by dx of uv is equal to uv into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. dx by dt is equal to a into cos t derivative minus sin t plus t into d by dt of sin t plus sin t into d by dt of t. Okay. The derivative of sin t is equal to cos t and the derivative of t is equal to 1, t sin t cancel. Therefore, dx by dt is equal to a t cos t. Now, you can take y is equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. It is also uv form, u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Okay. Then dy by dt is equal to a into cos t minus t into d by dt of cos t plus cos t into d by dt of t. Therefore, dy by dt is equal to a into cos t, the derivative of cos t minus sin t in plus cos t, the derivative of t equal to 1. Therefore, cos t cancel. Therefore, cos t is cancelled. You can observe here. Sum number 5, cos t is cancelled. Therefore, dy by dt is equal to a t sin t. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Here asking length of the subtangent. Length of the subtangent is equal to mod y by m. Length of subnormal is equal to mod y m. Okay. Therefore, I am getting the value of m. Therefore, length of subtangent mod y by m. The value of y, a into sin t minus t cos t by tan t. Okay. Length of subnormal mod y m, a into sin t minus t cos t into tan t. Next sum. At any point t on the curve x equal to a into t plus sin t, y is equal to a into 1 minus cos t. Find the length of the tangent, normal, subtangent and subnormal. The first of all x equal to a into t plus sin t. Differentiate with respect to t. dx by dt is equal to a into the derivative of t 1 sin t derivative cos t, y is equal to a into 1 minus cos t. Okay. dy by dt is equal to 1 derivative 0 cos t derivative minus sin t. Therefore, dy by dt is equal to a sin t. Therefore, m is equal to dy by dx. dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dt by dx by dt. Okay. M is equal to dy by dx. You can observe first of all dy by dt by dx by dt. Therefore, a sin t by a into 1 plus cos t. Here you can observe one formula, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square a. Therefore, 2 cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a and 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. These two formulas also very important. Okay. Then 1 plus cos t, 1 plus cos t, 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a. Therefore, 1 plus cos a, 2 cos square a by 2. Here 2a, therefore a. Okay. Therefore, 2 cos square t by 2, 2 cancel. Therefore, m is equal tan theta by 2. Slope of the tangent mod y into root 1 plus m square by m. A into y equal to a into 1 minus cos t. Therefore, into 1 plus tan square t by 2 by tan t by 2. Therefore, a into 1 minus cos t, 2 sin square t by 2 secant t by 2. Therefore, simplify that, I am getting value 2 sin square t by 2 by sin t by 2. Sin t by 2, sin t by 2 cancel. Therefore, answer length of the tangent 2a sin square t by 2. Sin t by 2. Next, length of the normal mod y into root over 1 plus m square, mod a into root over 1 plus tan square t by 2, a into 2 sin square t by 2 secant t by 2, 2a sin t by 2, that is equal to 2a sin t by 2 tan t by 2. Length of subtangent mod y by m. Okay. Mod y by m. Therefore, a into 1 minus cos t by 2 by tan t by 2, 2 sin square t by 2 by, that is equal to sin cancel, that is equal to 2a sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Here I am getting one formula, that is equal to sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a, that is equal to a sin t by 2 cos t by 2 a sin t. Okay, a sin t. Length of the subnormal mod y m, a into 1 minus cos t tan t by 2, a into 2 sin square t by 2 tan t by 2. Next sum. Okay. These are also very important sums. Find the angle between the curves 2y square minus 9x equal to 0, 3x square plus 4y equal to 0. Find the angle between the curves y square equal to 8x and 4x square plus y square equal to 32. Find the condition for the orthogonality of the curves ax square plus by square equal to 1 and a1x square plus b1y square equal to 1 is 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by a1 minus 1 by b1. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.